You came into a Bulls team that was laden with talent, experience, and strong personalities. What influence did they have on your approach to cricket?
Oh, enormous influence. Seeing guys like and having the opportunity to play cricket with the Border and Ian Healy, Carl Rackham and Dirk Tasler, Trevor Barsby, these guys that have been around for so long and been successful players. And we sort of, Queensland, up until we broke the duck, there were so many heartbreaking stories that these guys had sort of been involved in, previous to that. So, having those players around as a youngster was a very, very invaluable experience. To not so much from a batting and bowling, just listening and to their stories and what they went through and stuff like that. It's just great to hear guys like AB talking about some of the things that he did, coming through and how he went about facing the West Indies attack and all that sort of thing. So, and Carl Rackham pretty much took me under his wing early doors, and I roomed with him on those tours. So yeah, I mean, it's just invaluable experience having that quality and calibre of player to help you through when you're first starting out. And these guys were hardened professionals that had played, sport professionally and were very professional in an amateur style era. So that really is something that I'll never ever forget.